want to create a data frame from the list, we can simply use a pandas construction. This function will take the list and create a data frame with the same numbers of columns and rows. So let's simply create df equals ed data frame, and here we will put our list. Simple as that. But before, we also need to specify the columns names. So we can take a right title here. It will be the list of the columns names. So first one will be student's ID, without the space, and the second one is age. And these columns names we also put in the construction. Columns equals our columns names, and this def will go now to return df. So let's run it. Oh, upset. And now we can optimize it. So actually, column names we can use right away in the constructor, not to specify them here. So we can do it like this. And also, we can right away return the result of the constructor of Pandas data frame. And we will have a nice and tidy one-liner, like this. Let's hit the submit button. Hooray!